So I cannot have any strenuous hobby anymore. I cannot even play golf. Do you know that if I play golf, natu lalu pergi sama golf no. And I play tennis. I used to play a lot of tennis. I can bila setengah jam dah main tennis, I smash macam tu, tanan tu diam ah. Smash tu natu tergugur. Mun tergugur is not mau 4 inci macam ya, gugur ke bawah. Bila itu gugur ke bawah, I can tell you, it's the excruciating pain. So painful, you'll cry. And nobody can touch me. I am the only one who can put it here. I nearly got shot di Tulai, crossfire between communists and my own men because of this one dislocation. Until one fellow by the name of Sergeant Lom, he terajang cuma, tuan katanya, down mean you must menerap lah. And I got to adjust this thing, nak duduk, adjust. Jadi terajang lelom di belakang. Lepas ya pulang dah habis bertembak ya, bu. Dia kata, tuan kata, minta maaf tadi katanya. Nada kata nemu bekaning ngatur rutai bekanya. Bedak kenuan ke kami semua berketuk. Memang sikok aja bekanya. Tangan saya tu tananya. Jadi terpaksa gurin macam ya ngatur. Kejap, dengarlah peluru. Pum 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 pum. So, saya sih dapat main lagi. No, jadi my hobby is basically reading and writing. My mak, my abah. I was so biak at that time. How it got stuck in my brain, I don't know why. My abah joke me OT cabin. When you joke me OT cabin, you know cabin mesin, Osborne. Bukan just cabin mesin tau, bukan cream cracker yang modern, Osborne. Nah macam telur. Joke cabin mesin, bila nak cabin mesin si makan, nasi mau. Then my abah gave me a lecture. Biak you know. My abah said, Junaidi katanya, never, jangan sama sekali ngata si mau makan. Makan dulu. Munnya si nyaman, bau ngata. Mun kau si mau nganya, bau jangan makan. So pengajaran yang pertama I terima from my father. So I still, all the time I remember that part. Tadi ingat saya lah. Si mau ngaji, si tu kena ngaji sepagi. Ngaji selepas subuh tau. Subuh ngaji. Saya duduk rumah kami on state macam ya. Sau rumah di Pendamai. Berdiri saya. Jadi mak dengar, si ada dengar suara Junaidi ngaji tu. Sebelah rumah Haji Kolek pun. Dengar suara saya ada. Yang tu pun di bawah rumah. Rupanya saya masih bawah rumah. Main gasin. Pagi-pagi hari. Mak saya kata, orang si ada pelajaran tu, enggak layaknya jadi umpan alih. Enggak layak, Junaidi kata, mun kau si pandai ngaji, si pandai sekolah, layak jadi umpan alih je. Tahu umpan alih? Si tahu. Istilah orang di kawasan Sebuyo, Periso, Lingga, umpan alih tu ialah nangkap boya ataupun nangkap hiu. Jadi manusia yang dikait dia labuh ke laut lah supaya hiu nangkap. Ia enggak manusia layak kalau si ada persekolahan dan si ada pandai ngaji. Ya mak saya ada. Saya nang action movie lah. Saya is a escapism. I had a collection of over 600 over this Chinese movie, short fighting movie, kung fu movie. Tapi saya suka dengan Tilung bila badannya tegapnya kacak juga. Jadi shoot nanggal lah. Lepas ya, then came, I never like Chow Yun Fat. Kenanya mari cerita gambling ajak banyak. I sukanya mula bilanya start acting in A Better Tomorrow. When he start acting in Better Tomorrow. And then lepas ya, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Kini tu Donnie Yen lah. Bila Donnie Yen nang si ada movie-nya, saya miss lah. I never miss Donnie Yen movie. Sebab ya, bilanya datang mari saya bergambar dengan masih gambar saya. Dengan Donnie Yen. Macam Donnie Yen juga, buat accent. Saya si ada malan, hanya si gay aja. Tahu tak, it's a real thing ya. Saya mandang kita. Tanya kita pegawai saya. Apa benda yang I si dapat solve malam, don't tell me about it in the evening. Pukul 8 ke 7 macamnya. No need to tell me about it. Because I cannot solve the problem. Unless emergency, according to the rule, procedure, benda, saya perlu dibuat maklum. Boleh maklum dengan saya lah. Tapi mun satu problem, administration ke benda-benda yang gila. Tapi pagi tahu malam, semua pada pegawai yang kerja dengan saya, sama adanya Sandy ke, Wan Hamzah ke, Fahmi kemari, Fadli ke, siapa-siapa aja. Never tell me at night because I want to sleep well. Ring, mesti ada dia. Because I have no time to wait for you. Don't wait for me to call you another second time. You work with me or you leave my office. That's why my office was so efficient. So my philosophy is, don't make me unhappy before I go to sleep because I can solve your problem. I plenty banyak. I joke a lot. Tapi make sure that you don't plenty more than me. So I'm very friendly with my one. That's why my habit is makan sama, breakfast sama, dinner sama, lunch sama. So I'm always happy. So I never have a problem. Unhappiness is the one I never want to have in my life. When my wife passed away, I nangis. I'm very unhappy. Tetapi I cannot allow myself to be unhappy long time because philosophy is when a person died, that's it. You kenang. But you are the one who continue to survive, to live. And I never get angry. So my dupe is always I maintain happiness, happy, never to get sad. I never ask anybody and I never get disappointed if I ask you don't give because I have no right to be angry, no right to be disappointed. As far as I'm concerned, my family comes first. My family always comes first. Nobody going to cry for you except your family. Nobody going to support you except your family. Your family is the one, really the one. All the friends, all the colleagues, all the office, no matter how good they are, will never beat your family in terms of really to take care of you. So now we see what is the state doing. Abang Joe is very, very progressive. The most progressive ketua kerajaan di the whole Malaysia lah, kalau kita nak anggap. Can you imagine the tiny Sarawak, besar badan lah, tapi kita grow, kita pun population kecil comparatively. Tetapi, and yet the skill that we have means something to a lot of people. And this is why, apa yang di-frame, didudu oleh Dato' Abang Joe Kenetto, going into the area of the future to make Sarawak well known to the world simply because of renewable energy, the effort toward mitigating the situation of climate change.